Hi, this is Pam Winn coming to you from Kissimmee, Florida, from my dining room table, and I can't wait to share the newest Creative Memories collection with you. After this cold winter that many people had and a year of COVID, this collection is a breath of spring air. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with a sneak peek of this beautiful Spring Cottage Collection from Creative Memories. But this collection for spring is so different from some of them that we've had in the past. You have got a beautiful array of spring colors, from soft, just exquisite, soft pastels that are in the spring colors of flowers, and then you have beautiful earthy greens and blues, because all of our photos taken outside have blue and green in them. And then you've got wonderful, wonderful wood tones that just pair so nicely with this. This really is such a cozy spring collection. I absolutely love it. So this is the designer paper pack. And of course they have the tone-on-tone paper pack, which I use for so many everyday pages. You've got the greens and the blues, olives, your dark sea green, which is a combination of blue and green. You have got large patterns, large designs. You've got a beautiful stripe, a diagonal plaid that is tone on tone. These tonal papers are just beautiful and will work, again, for so many occasions. And it doesn't matter if you're from the north or the south, the East Coast or the West Coast. It doesn't matter if you're from Australia or Canada. All places in between, these colors are perfect for our spring pages. The embellishments are just yummy because they are embossed. They have some texture to them. They're raised up, so they just pop off the page. Again, the soft colors are just beautiful, and I can't wait to put them on pages. I love that they've already layered and clustered some of the flowers. I'm thinking of Easter pages, spring weddings, backyard photos, spring birthdays, Mother's Day. These are just beautiful. And then you've got the trees. I even have a garden, a whole garden in here to use. And their labels that hold sentiments or that you can write, journal in, are just beautiful. Again, everything is embossed. It's hard to see, and I don't know if you can. Maybe if I turn it around, you can see how embossed each embellishment is. Just gorgeous. And then finally, with that embellishment pack, this embellishment pack went on and on and on. You've got your cottage. This could be at the lake or at the beach. And you've got water embellishments. You've got more beautiful sentiment labels. There's just, again, when I said there's something for everyone, I truly meant it. And then the stickers, the watercolor stickers are beautiful, but I love the sayings that CM is giving us. Like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. And let's go outside, nature's majesty. You could take a spring walk in a garden. You could go on a hike. I mean, there's just so many uses. Again, for this, beautiful colors, beautiful soft pastels paired with the wood is just beautiful. And of course, then there's the mats. And these, again, are just wonderful, wonderful everyday colors for every theme, but beautiful sayings. And then I'm going to show you just a glimpse of the Fast to Fabulous. I just took some pictures that I took last spring and laid them on here. I don't know if it isn't going to get the whole thing in, but you can see how fast a page will go together just using one mat for my title, one mat and boom, I've got a 5-minute 2-page spread. The Fast to Fabulous pages are beautiful. And again, this one where there's no theme, I can see them being used for so many occasions. Thanks everyone. Have a great day and enjoy the Spring Cottage Collection.